The following teaching material has been adapted from the book Kids Box Updated 2nd Edition, Starter Level, by Caroline Nixon and Michael Tomlinson for teaching purposes and for use.
Page 48. 1. Listen and point.
Wake up! Monty, Maskman, Marie. Walk and talk now. 1, 2, 3.
Look at this fish. It's yellow and blue.
I've got a tiger. It's orange and black. Grrr, grrr.
I've got a duck. It's brown and green. Quack, quack.
I've got a frog. It's green. Ribbit, ribbit.
I've got a dog. It's black and white. Woof, woof. And I've got a bird. It's red, yellow, blue and green. Squawk, squawk.
I'm a mouse. I'm a pink and grey mouse. Eek! Eek!
Page 48. 2. Say the chant.
Fish, bird, dog, duck, tiger, frog. Fish, bird, dog, duck, tiger, frog. Fish, bird, dog, duck, tiger, frog. Fish, bird, dog, duck, tiger, frog.
Page 49. 3. Listen and follow.
Fish. Dog. Tiger. Fish. Bird. Duck. Dog. Frog. Tiger.
Page 49. 4. Listen and draw lines. 1.
I've got a frog.
2.
I've got a duck.
3.
I've got a fish.
4.
I've got a bird.
5.
I've got a dog.
6.
I've got a tiger.
Page 50. 5. Listen and point. Sing the song.
I'm a frog and I can jump. I'm a frog, and I can jump. I'm a frog, and I can jump, but I can't fly. I'm a bird, and I can fly. I'm a bird, and I can fly. I'm a bird, and I can fly, but I can't swim. I'm a fish, and I can swim. I'm a fish, and I can swim. I'm a fish, and I can swim, but I can't jump. Oh, I can't.
Page 50. 5.
Now sing the song again.
Page 51. 6. Listen and tick. 1.
I can jump.
2.
I can't fly.
3.
I can swim.
4.
I can't jump.
Page 51. 7. Listen and write the number. 1.
I can jump. I can't fly.
2.
I can't swim. I can fly.
3.
I can't jump. I can swim.
4.
I can fly. I can't jump.
Page 52. 8. Listen to the story.
Wake up, wake up. Monty, Maskman, Marie. Walk and talk now. 1, 2, 3.
Marie, Maskman, look at my fish. It can swim.
Mmm.
Yes, it can swim, Monty.
And my frog can jump and swim.
My duck can jump. My duck can fly, and my duck can swim.
Oh, Maskman! My bird can't swim, but it can jump. It can fly, and it can talk.
Page 53. 9. Listen and stick. 1.
Can you see the dog?
Yes, I can. It's under the bed.
Yes.
2.
Can you see the tiger?
Yes, I can. It's on the table.
Yes.
3.
Can you see the bird?
Yes, I can. It's on the book.
Yes.
4.
Can you see the duck?
Yes, I can. It's under the chair.
Yes.
5.
Can you see the frog?
Yes, I can. It's in the house.
Yes.
6.
Can you see the fish?
Yes, I can. It's in the car.
Yes.
Page 53. 10. Talk to Maskman.
Hello, I'm Maskman! What's your name? How old are you? Open your book and point to a tiger. Open your book and point to a dog. What color's a frog? What's your favorite animal?